Hello, welcome to my video with my brother. Today, this is my intro, and I'm going to teach you how to make your own intro for your YouTube. So, you just add an example. So, let me delete everything
He's going to eat.
and
How do you do that?
there now. Let's use. I'm going to make an example for you guys.
Oh yeah.
Well, this.
What do that say? I don't know how to read.
Oh yeah, that's how the welcome to.
I'm supposed to. It's
I'm not
T-O.
going to do this, but you could put your YouTube channel name there.
Ooh.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, and you could add a picture. Let's enter an image, upload from computer, and
I'm getting a little house this shirt. It's not winter.
okay, now you could click that.
I see my character. Put my character in.
And you could put whatever you want.
I want my character.
Okay, you could put anything you want.
That's your biker riding when you was two wheels.
Yeah, you could add anything that you want.
Why did